and welcome to our YouTube channel. It's me, your one and only friend around the world, Sweet Caroline. Let us be thankful and enjoy the rest of the day. Hi guys! Today, of course, we still have another unboxing. This is coming from Hino Motor Philippines. So here's the first paper bag here. Okay. I have two items here to check. And this is inside an eco bag. Let's try to see. Actually guys, it's sealed. Okay. And then I guess this is a gadget. Okay. This is for Android or iOS phones, tablet. That can you can charge this. You can charge your gadget using this item as wireless charging, but you need to plug it in the socket. Okay, but it's sealed, so let's just set this aside. And we have another box inside this first paper bag. Okay, it's a box. Let's see inside. This is a mug. And it's from most of the people's favorite coffee shop. Starbucks. And of course they have the branding here with Hino. Thank you so much for this first batch of paper bag, and set everything aside. Okay, what happened to my hand? And let's switch the other one. Okay, it's another box for the second box, coming still from Hino Motor Philippines. Okay, let's just remove this paper bag. What happened to this? Para talaga binilig siya. Para na remove the case. Okay, the box is okay now. There is a little dent. Okay, I'll just open the box in there. And on my screen, a leather bag, backpack, or sling, backpack or sling. It is a leather. Okay, meron siyang mini bag tag, and then okay, when you open this one, magnetic lock, two-side magnetic lock. Okay. And then, when you open up the magnetic lock, you will be seeing the zipper. Zipper enclosure. And there you see inside. It's partly deep. Maybe you could have Chromebook or MacBook Air, I guess. Can be. Also, you can bring your cell phone there inside. And you have two compartments inside. Okay, open compartments inside with inside the zipper compartment of your main bag. And again, it's two sides of magnetic lock to close the bag. Okay, And you have also another pocket here in front. It is magnetic lock. One side middle magnetic lock. You can put your some stuff there, receipt or keys, car key, or whatever, any emergency small things that you want to put there. Okay, I'll see you around, and happy Lunar New Year to everyone.
Let us be kind and grateful. No matter how hard life is, our Heavenly Father will always be with us. May the love and peace be always with us. Just choose the right path of our lives, because everything is already written in the stars. So, be positive, stay positive, and always keep the positive